This is Alan from Stencil Tech. We're just here doing an interview with Mrs. Bio. She's going to be explaining to us what pushed her more towards the decorative concrete method other than block paving or other high maintenance products. So what was the advantages in your mind for going for the decorative concrete product?
Right, the bearing in mind there's a story behind this.
Okay.
20 years of disagreeing between my husband and I.
Yes.
Simply because of the maintenance.
Yeah, and the wife got her way again, obviously.
And yes, I've done a lot of research and came across this company and this product, read all the reviews, and like I say, done a lot of research, and we came to a conclusion that this was the best method for us, simply because of the maintenance. Hopefully it'll be very low maintenance, no weeds.
That's it.
No digging, no scrowling on your hands and knees.
The scrapers.
Yeah, it was scrapers and whatever.
Yeah.
So this is why, and you know, I looked at lots of pictures, knocked on a few doors, and asked people's opinions. So yeah, this is why we chose this company and this method.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate the honest review, and we're getting a lovely result with it for you. Thank you very much.